Okay, students, this is the second capsule for our prefixes. And now we have pre, post, over, be, or by, depends on the pronunciation, and co. So there was a pre-ceremony before the prom, and there will be a post-ceremony after the prom. So it means before. Even we have the word before. So there was a pre-ceremony before the prom. So in the middle of this ceremony, or if you want to change it probably for easier like understanding, we can have in here a post party. So there was a ceremony before the prom and there was a party after the prom. Pre, post. So that's it. So pre always it's before. For example, a pre-course for university or a post-course maybe when you get your degree. Let's suppose that in some cases you can have like a diplomado. I mean, you finish your career, but you have a post-diplomado. It means after your career. So post means after, pre means before. Now, over. The prefix over means like too much. More than enough. More than enough. So in this context, we have, for example, you always overreact about this. Overreact, overused, it's more than necessary, too much even. We can use the same one. Over means too much, like in your book it says, too much. Remember that too means more than necessary. When I use too, means sorry, it's now in a negative way. So that is over. Always overreact, overuse, overgenerate. Probably you are overgenerating money, but be careful, that can be dangerous. You are overgenerating money. You are overworking. Probably you are working more than necessary. It's more than necessary. That is over. Okay, students? So every time you think about more than necessary, over is the prefix to do it. Verb, adjectives, etc. I'm a bilingual person. Be, it means two, twice, two, etc. You have to collaborate in this activity. Probably elaborate, it's to work. But when we have the prefix co, means together, means as a team. Okay? Coexist, collaborate. Even that's why we have the word colleague as a group of people or something. Co always means together, not by separate, always by couples. So there are even some roots of words in English that they come about this. So couple, collaborate, colleague means together. Okay? So every time we have the prefix co means together, means something joint. Okay, students? So basically these five were very simple. Just wait for the last five. But let's see, it's before, after, more than necessary, to, and together. Means that colleague, think about colleague, collaborate, couple, together. Okay? That is co. So let's wait for the last five. Okay, students, and just to finish in this part, we have the last five prefixes of our book. We have sub, inter, under, super, and auto. Okay, as you can see, we are going to have a similar example in here with sub and with under. In both cases, I'm talking about qualities. Now, what is the difference between sub and under? Simple. Sub qualities means qualities that are not at the first step of the first importance. Sub means in second term of importance, of relevance, etc. For example, let's imagine that you go to apply for a job and you show all your skills or your qualifications, and that's it. Okay, but they say, okay, you got the job, but you have some sub qualities that must change. It's like they are not very relevant, they are not very important. So you get a job because the only things that I will recommend you to change are sub qualities. They are not the main qualities of this of your application. So no problem. Every time we have the word sub means not a very big deal. Second term, not very relevant. It's not a big importance in here. That is sub. Now, inter. Inter means between normally between two or more things. So we have, there will be some international competences. Since the moment we have international, it means that there are more than one nation in there. And normally it's that nation and the other nation together, and that they are preparing everything. So every time we have the word intern or the prefix inter before something, it means between two. International, between one nation and the other. Then we have underqualified. What is underqualified? Synonym of sub. But underqualified, look, you are underqualified for this job. Means that your qualification is not enough, is not good enough. In here means that they are not very important. Under means that they are below what it's necessary. You are underqualified for this job. Sorry, you are missing some qualifications that we require for this job. So under means not enough. You are, I mean, there's lack of something in there. Okay? Underqualified, that's what underground, below. Okay? Underage, probably you cannot drink alcohol if you are underage. So that's it. Super, simple, means out or more than the average. Superman is unique. Superman is unique. Oh, that's why the name is Superman, because we have man, but Superman it's out of the average. Simple. And also, auto means by yourself, alone. He's an autodidact teacher. Nobody told him how to teach. He taught himself. Every time we have auto means by yourself, by himself, by herself, by itself. Now, students, these are two short capsules where I try to explain a little these prefixes. Now, I want you to start developing the vocabulary. How? Create words, type them in Google and check if the word that you created exists or not. Take up and start checking, like with verbs, with adjectives, play with them. Try to get more vocabulary from them. Okay? So that is all for this capsule. Thank you, and I hope that after this, the prefixes are a better, understood topic. That's it. Bye-bye.